Hi, are you a college freshman that has absolutely positively no idea where they're gonna live for this fall because you don't know if COVID's gonna be gone and you're literally panicking because you don't know your living situation for the next year? Come on in and make yourself at home. Hello friends, I'm your host Kay and welcome to my channel. This is a brief setup of what my dorm looked like, which is a little eclectic, a little cluttered, but it's visually pleasing and keeps me from not being completely drained from Zoom University, which I'm pretty sure all college students are pretty drained by now. Ooh. As you can see from my closet right on the side, I have overpacked it with way too much stuff. I kind of regret it now, but it's kind of functional. You can see over here that I have my shoe caddy. It can hold up to 12 shoes, but I only have 6, so it wouldn't be completely taking over my closet because I do have more things that I need to bring. Over here I have this locker caddy that I've had since 6th grade. I made it in a sewing class and it was so fun. I really want to get back into sewing, but basically it holds my mask, some chargers, batteries that I use for my keyboard, my wallet, which I won't be showing to the public, and some breath spray because, you know,
all you do is eat as a college student because you're stressed and your breath smells, even though you don't even go out as much.
I have a mirror to check myself out, make sure I'm looking fresh, make sure I don't look like a potato. Hi! I have a cereal container which contains all the cereal that I use. I have my oil diffuser which I use to make my room smell super nice. Usually I do this on weekends because it's the only time where I can relieve like all the stress from school. Next I have my projector light. I absolutely positively adore this. It is one of my favorite parts of my room. Basically at night I turn it on and it basically like has moving light. It helps me to not feel unmotivated. Adds a little bit of a nice night mode, if you will. Over here you guys can also see that I have all the assortments of foods. I have some oatmeal, which I don't know why people always hate on instant oatmeal. It is absolutely delicious and I adore it. Some honey, green tea, which I've never drank out of because I would be addicted. As you move further into the other compartment, I have all my cleaning supplies. I have some air freshener, hand sanitizer, spick and span, dryer sheets, all that fun, kooky, nice stuff. I also have some cockroach spray that I put on the side of my wall. Little tidbit, my dorm had an exorbitant amount of cockroaches. It was insane. Like I think I had like 3 or 4 cockroaches that were just crawling up my wall. They crawl up that tapestry and it has like a little mark on it which has been bothering me ever since like October of last semester. So if you're a college freshman, please get this cockroach stuff. I think you can get it at Walmart or Sam's Club. Buy it. It will save you so much time. As you make your way towards the back of my dresser, you can see that I have my book stand. I got this off of Amazon. I really like it because it's able to hold all the notebooks I use for all my classes. I don't really use that many notebooks just because school's been online, so most of the work that we've been doing is virtually, so like Google Docs, Word Doc, Microsoft. Behind there I have some napkins, tea kettle, which I use for oatmeal, making tea. Over here you can see on top of my big cabinets, I have my computer and I also have a really nice laptop stand. I always was hunching over my desk repeatedly, all because I literally was trying to use my monitor, but sometimes I needed to use my computer to like upload files. As we make our way towards my desk, you guys can see that I did get the keyboard that everyone has been seeing on their TikTok For You page for the past month. I was a sucker for it. I saw it on tons of other YouTubers that they bought it and they absolutely love it. And I cannot disagree. It is amazing. It is just a beautiful keyboard. I got this really nice laptop desk mat, which kind of serves as a giant mouse pad, but also conveniently hides all the marks on my desk from the marble wallpaper that literally was not self-adhesing properly. I have some tape, which is pretty much what I've been using for practically all of my decorations in my room. I low-key could not buy command tape because A, I don't want to get evicted, and B, it would just be way too hard to take down. I have my little chicken lamp, my little desk lamp, which is so nice. It has multiple modes, which is really cool. I usually use the reading mode and the writing mode. The nighttime mode is usually for when I'm doing like some late assignment. Moving right along, we have my desk organizer. I really love this thing, not gonna lie. Underneath my desk over here, we have my water bottle, some cups, some plastic bags, some paper cups. We got the
talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique
bulletin board. I use this whiteboard and bulletin board to like write certain tasks down, because sometimes even though I have my planner, it's easier to have something visually that's bigger so that I'm able to write everything I need to write down. I have a tapestry. Yes, another tapestry. Next, I have my Times Delphic article, which is the newspaper for my school that I write for. I have my microwave, my fridge, my freezer that carries everything. I low-key don't want to open it because it's packed to the brim and I don't want everything to come spewing out of it. We have my little friend area if I were inviting friends into my dorm, which I'm not really doing right now. This is what I would like to call my chill / relax space. This is where I would invite friends to come over and chat my whole life away to relieve the stresses of college, because
college is a pretty stressful place.
But thanks to, you know,
coronavirus,
that just has not been an option for us, so I kind of just use this space to chill, look outside my window. And lastly, we have my bed area. I made it a point to make sure that my bed was not facing anywhere towards my desk, because it can be super easy if you can see your bed in front of you to basically just crawl up into your bed. Also, since my bed is lofted, it forces me to not go on my bed like frivolously. I usually don't ever go on my bed unless I'm sleeping, so I definitely would recommend lofting your bed
as high as you can so that you're not always climbing into bed and just chilling and playing on your phone.
College just doesn't allow you to do that. There is just way too much work.
So...
Editing K is coming here to preface that I totally forgot to mention that everything that I got will be linked in the description box down below. So if you're interested in any of these products, don't worry, I got you. And thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end, because don't know if I'm that entertaining, but hope to see you in upcoming videos. Bye. Swoop.